You don't need a higher income. You need a better system. Because right now your money is disappearing, and it's not your fault. In the next 5 minutes, I'll show you exactly how to save money, even if you're broke, bad at budgeting, or just tired of the same old advice. We'll cover the 1 habit that changed my finances, 3 tricks that rewire your brain to save, and why most people fail before they even start. Ever feel like no matter how much you try, you just can't save anything? I've been there. I had $27 in my account after rent. Not because I was lazy, but because I was playing a game, and I didn't even know the rules. See, the system is designed to keep you spending. Your brain craves short-term rewards. Advertisers pump billions into making you treat yourself. And banks? They profit when you go into debt, so if saving feels impossible, it's because you've been set up to fail. But once you understand the game, you can flip it. This is the rule that changed everything for me. Pay yourself. First, before rent, before food, before scrolling Amazon. Put something aside, even just $2. Because saving what's left? That's like brushing your teeth after eating candy all day. There's nothing left. Make saving the first thing you do, not the last. Saving feels like punishment, unless you make it feel good. Here's how to hack your brain to save more. 1. Name your savings accounts, don't call it savings. Call it Freedom Fund or Quit My Job Stash. When your brain sees the goal, it wants to protect it. 2. The 24-hour rule. See something you want? Wait 24 hours. If you still want it tomorrow, go for it. But most of the time, the feeling fades, and you save the money in the regret. 3. Make it a game, no spend weekend challenge. Save $20 this week, race with a friend. Loser buys coffee. Saving becomes fun and sticky. Hate budgeting? Same. That's why this simple rule works. 50% equals needs, rent, food, bills. 30% equals wants, fun, subscriptions. 20% equals saving, investing, broke. Try 70/20ths 10 instead. Or even 80/50ths 5. The exact split doesn't matter. What matters is starting. Most people save backwards. They spend first, pay bills, then try to save what's left. That's like going to the gym while eating a donut and wondering why nothing changes. Flip the order. Save first, spend second, adjust, lifestyle last. That's how real progress happens. Saving into your main account? Bad idea, you'll spend it. Use a separate savings account with no debit card, or a high-yield savings account, or an app that hides your money, like Ally, Revolut, Monzo, depending on where you live. Out of sight equals out of temptation. You don't need more discipline. You need better systems. Here's what to automate. Weekly auto transfer to savings. Round up apps that stash spare change. Budget apps that track for you. Smart people don't rely on willpower. They build systems that win for them, on autopilot. If you're 15, 20, or even 29 and feel behind, you're not. You're just getting started. Saving isn't about being rich. It's about having options. Options to quit bad jobs. Options to leave toxic people. Options to build a better life. And it starts with one tiny habit. Pay yourself first. Today, not someday. If this video helped you, help someone else. Share it with one person who says, I'm just bad with money. They're not. They just haven't seen this yet. Hit like, subscribe, and let's flip the system together.